Let's continue with problem 6.5. We have to find the largest of three numbers, and they are represented by a root, a fraction, and a percentage. (75/9), and then a percentage, which is 60% of a fraction. Whenever you try to do a comparison of the different types, try to bring them to similar form. It's much easier to compare that way, if you can. Not always, but if you can. So let's see if you can do that. So root 75 is square root of, factorizing inside, the 3 and 5 square. Taking the 5 out, we get 5 square root of 3. Okay, we take a pause here for this one because we do not know how these other numbers would look like. So we'll take a pause here and we can come back and simplify or see how we can modify it. So that's our first one. Then we do the second one. 75/9. Now 75 is 3 times 25 and 9 is 3 times 3, so I can see that there is a factor of 3. I can cancel. Now 25/3, if I put it in fraction or mixed fraction form, I know 8 times 3 is 24, so this is 8 whole number and 1/3. And then the final one is 60% of 68/4, which I can write as 60/100 times 68/4 . Now I know that 68 is 17 times 4, so I'll cancel the factor 4. Here I'm going to cancel the factor 20. So here I am getting 3 times 17 is 51 divided by 5, or in short 10/1/5. So we have three numbers: 5 square root of 3, 8/3, and 10/1/5. And remember, we have to find the largest of these three. Okay, we don't have to order them by large to small, we just have to find the largest. So let's remind ourselves by writing it. So to find the largest. So let's inspect these numbers a little bit. Of course, between 8 and the third and 10 and 1/5, I know that 10 and 1/5 is bigger. Now the question is this even bigger than 10/1/5, or it is smaller than 10/1/5? So one way to easily see is, I know that 5 square root of 3 has to be less than 5, and this is where creativity is coming a little bit. We know that 5 square root of 3 is 5 square root of 4, less than 5 square root of 4. because 3 is less than 4, so square root of 3 is less than square root of 4, and we just multiply both sides by 5. That becomes 5 square root of 3 less than 5 square root of 4. Now 5 square root of 4, I know that is equal to 5 times 2. Square root of 4 is 2, equals 10. So now can I say that therefore square root of 75 is less than 10? So now you are comparing a number which is 10/1/5 and a number which is less than 10. So of course then this number becomes the larger one. So finally we write 10/1/5, or we go back and restate the same number that was given to us. 60% of 68/4 is the largest. Of the three quantities. And that is your answer.